Alright, Jay's go with the blues. So I had Justin here handling the reins here on the burners, and last night, man, he cooked us incredible shrimp pesto and with sea bass, blackened with pesto, and B made a tremendous walnut pesto with walnuts, olive oil, and all that. So I'm going to recreate it. Try to recreate that right here, right now. And so here we go. Shrimp. Okay. Olive oil, butter, okay, I'll rinse off. I like to do get her going, and I put a little more blackened seasoning on top. I'll show you over here, man. We get just a little bit more blackened seasoning. I want a good, it's a good flavor on it. Turn the fire down. I'm going to tilt most of the this sucker doesn't want to come out. Hey, Luz. Set up in the fridge a little bit. Olive oil came out. Excuse me, Glenn, we're just going to get a little bit of white wine. Good. Butter, bring it together a little bit. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, you can't beat.
That was fabulous.
You can't beat. It's kind of like a Meunier sauce, you know, like white wine butter sauce. Hey, Lucy, come here for a second. Try the shrimp. Grab a fork, Lucy. And my daughter Lucy just showed up. We're coming into work.
Hello.
Saturday Night Live. Go ahead, babe, try it out.
What do we have here?
Pesto sea bass with shrimp.
Ooh. What would you like me to try first?
Either way.
Oh, wow.
Good?
Excellent. Oh, it's really good. So flavorful.
That pesto sauce Bee made. Walnut pesto.
Oh, yeah. Delish.
Good, babe? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's go with the blues. Not quite as good as Justin's presentation. It was mine got a little. The pesto was separated a little bit in the skillet, but it still ate good. I'm gonna have to watch how Justin does it to see how it came out. But hey, you know what? It sold like crazy last night, and people loved it. And just one new dish on the Daddy Jack's repertoire. Daddy Jack's go with the blues.